Let's say you own a business, you own a few pieces of property, but you really want to take it to the next level. You want to scale your wealth and really get to 8 figures and beyond. Here would be my advice for you. Is opposed to dabbling in a whole bunch of different areas, pick one industry, and if you already own an existing business in that industry, then double down in that industry and make 3 to 5 acquisitions in the next 3 to 5 years in the same industry. Look, if you have, say, a painting business that's doing $500,000 a year in profit, based on just having that one business doing $500,000 a year in profit, it may be worth approximately $1.5 million. I say that because about $500,000 in profit, you do a 3x multiple, about 1.5. That's pretty standard. But if you could acquire 4 or 5 other painting businesses and get your earnings to about 2 to 3 million through acquisition, you don't even have to grow organically. You just acquire more painting businesses. Say you get that profit to 3 million. You're not going to have a 3 times multiplier anymore. You're going to take that 3 million and you're going to multiply it by somewhere between 5 to 10 times earnings. You think about that. Now you're worth somewhere between 15 to 30 plus million dollars. Of course, you're going to have to pay off your debtors, but you're still going to pocket probably 20 mil after it all happens, just by making a couple of business acquisitions and keep operating the thing you already know how to run. This is how you transition from being well off to being wealthy. Follow for more.